Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video series I'm going to take everyone through the evolution of my GPU mining rig. In this video I'm not going to discuss what is GPU mining, cryptocurrency, hashing power, or even the hardware that I've chosen. Those will be in upcoming videos. I am going to walk you through the build of my 6 GPU open air mining frame. Again, there is an evolution to this project. I went from 6 GPUs to 26 GPUs and may expound on this and build further rigs in the future. I'm not too sure, but sit back and enjoy this video, and please subscribe if you want to follow the rest of the build. Please excuse the audio quality. I'll make sure I do a better job in the future. Alright guys, that's another video in the books. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more, and click that little bell for notifications when new videos come out. Thanks again.